Ye shall have dominion also from sea to sea and from river unto the ends of the earth. Psalm 72, verse 8.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all our sons command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Righteousness exalteth a nation, but sin is a reproach to any people. Proverbs 14, verse 34.
Pray for Canada.